Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showcasing 5 awesome mods you need on your server. Some of these mods are for Fabric and some of them are for Forge. If you don't know how to download mods for Forge or Fabric, we've actually done videos on that, so we'll leave the links in the description. First up, we have the Security Craft mod for Forge. On a server with friends and a bunch of different people, you never know if you need to have stuff such as security cameras, keypads, unbreakable doors, and much more to protect yourself. Well, those features are exactly what the Security Craft mod brings. Firstly, you have access to security cameras. You can place up to 30 cameras in your base. Afterwards, you just need to right-click each camera with the monitor to bind the camera. Then you right-click your monitor, giving you the option to view each camera and keep tabs on what's going on. Inside each camera, you can also look around, zoom in and zoom out, and activate night vision. Moving on, you have access to a range of reinforced doors. With some doors, you can use a key panel to set a code, and only using that code is when the door opens. It's impossible to get in if you're an intruder. There are a bunch of other nifty features such as fake water and lava to fool your friends, tasers which do actual damage, electric fence that attack anything in its path, lamps that turn on when they detect you're near, and much more. This mod adds piles of content, so we recommend adding it to your server and trying it out yourself. This mod is the perfect mod for servers with friends. It adds a ton of items to troll your friends with. An example of that is a fake cake item. If your friends try to eat it, they'll be blown up. There's an insta-kill stick that will kill anything and anyone in one swing. Running along your world, you'll also come across lucky blocks which look like they're legit, but nope, they're deadly. This fake stone you can place down that once mined will ruin your friend's life. A fake trash can that doesn't work, which will prove to annoy your friends. A scary annoying button. Try hiding and pressing it. Your friends will be terrified. Not to mention troll coal that smells instantly, so it's not useful at all. There are many other items in this mod that you can use to trigger your friends, so why not download it and try it out yourself. This mod is super simple but definitely needed for servers. It's for both Fabric and Forge, and all it does is enable 2 players to ride a horse together. All you have to do is tame a horse and tell your friend to get on the horse with you, and ta-da! With the Jobs Plus mod, there are 10 jobs added that you can perform. To open this menu, you just have to press J. To start off, you get 2 free jobs which you can perform by pressing start to perform this job. Once you have it, you'll get job XP by doing job tasks. For example, I selected the builder job, so now when I place blocks, it gives me XP. Jobs Plus also allows you to add a prefix to your name which shows up in chat. With the job you want, simply press the name tag button, and then whenever you type in chat, it comes up with your role. Over time, by performing job tasks, you'll level up, giving you coins. Those coins can later be used to unlock cooler jobs and unlock power-ups. Last on the list, Mine Colonies is a mod that allows you to make a town with citizens and they can work for you. When you find a place you'd like to create a town, you can make a supply ship or supply camp. With that supply set, you can place down a set of supplies which will be the start of your town. There are many to choose from. I'll be selecting medieval spruce. Then you'll be able to move the structure around and select where you want it. When your ship or camp has been settled down, you may be able to find a build tool in one of the chests. If you can't find one, you can also craft one. With this build tool, you can select structures to place down. To build any structure, you'll have to place down a town hall first. You'll also have the option of moving around the structure like before. Then you'll see a town colony block that you can click and press to start a new colony. That'll show this fence around your area, meaning new citizens will start showing up in the area by themselves. If you right click these villages, you can see their stats and do a bunch of cool things with them, like contract them to work on stuff. As you can see, there's a lot you can do with this mod. Create a town, add citizens, build new structures, and lead a huge empire on your server. There are also a ton of features we're not able to show in this video, but we recommend downloading this mod and testing them out yourself. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from my channel. Thank you for watching!